If you need a quick, precise way to boil water for your coffee, tea, or even instant soups, the Bodum water kettle is perfect. It has a sleek chrome design, it's a 34-ounce capacity, and it heats up to 8 cups of water really efficiently. Its space-saving size is comparable to a toaster, so it makes a great addition to any kitchen without taking up a lot of space. It has a see-through water level indicator, so it ensures that you're boiling just the right amount, and it has an unexposed heating element, which is safe to use on any surface. A manual on-off switch, power indicator light, and an automatic shut-off for those forgetful people as added safety. So this kettle combines style and convenience with reliability, and I highly recommend. It's a go-to kettle for me in our kitchen, and I couldn't be happier with it.